Ready? Hello!
Hi, hi! Hi, hi!
No one is supposed to talk. Guess who's here? Someone's here.
Good.
Our provinciano is here, okay, to visit us. Visit me.
Visit me.
No,
And-
I don't.
Pero, may schedule. Sinabi na, babalik daw siya right away. Dahil talaga, babalik daw siya sa Alto at 4 o'clock. So, why? Why 4 o'clock?
Gusto niya.
Okay, wait. Stand up straight, both of you. Okay, no, you all there. Both of you stand up straight para makita nila how tiny your mother is and how I was able to produce the two of you. I don't know. Yay. Oh, what?
I love you.
I love you. Thank you. You.
Kuya Kitty.
Hinahanap niya. Okay, let's sit down. Kuya, upo ka. Sandali. Let's
Ito check one little two.
No. Ay, kumain ka na agad.
Later.
Later, we order Japanese because we're together. Anong ginagawa mo there? What do you do when you're in Tarlac? You jog. I know you jog.
Kaipay.
May e-bike ka, tapos nag-golf cart ka, and
And magta-tracking.
jogging. Okay, bakit gusto mo talaga? What's in Tarlac na you love? Anong gusto mo?
Ala to.
Na
Na-tracking.
jogging, and because,
Because
fresh air?
fresh air.
Ano pa?
Fresh air.
Fresh air talaga.
Fresh air talaga.
Oh, inuulit mo lang everything na sinasabi ko eh.
Fresh air.
And? Ba't ka happy?
Happy ako.
Why nga?
Kasi I'm here with mama.
You're here with, oh, thank you. Pero, bakit you like it there and not here with us?
I like it.
Bakit mas gusto sa Tarlac than with me and Bim here? Kasi
fresh air.
fresh air and
And hindi ka pakupit.
ayaw mo pagupit.
Pakupit ka.
Hindi, ano bang gusto mo? Ginugulo mo ko.
Haircut.
I want a haircut. Hindi natin tinawagan. Hanapin. Message.
Parang minessage mo niya si Jonathan Madam.
Ah,
Schedule daw po siya.
Taray! Siya mismo nag-schedule.
Diba?
Oo, may darating para
Iba talaga
mag-event
naman.
siya.
Na.
Okay.
Oo, alas babalik siya.
Kasi
Kasi,
kaning mama sa lapi.
Tawa tuloy ako. Siguro madam sa labi at nasundo siya.
papahatid. Okay, nagpasundo and all. Okay, tapos, happy ka.
Happy ako.
Sorry,
Super.
I'll meet lang my teacher.
Okay. Ito, babalik na kasi nag-online class. So, happy ka?
Yes.
Because
I'm here.
ito na naman. Because?
Because?
Why are you happy? Because?
Ay, pero,
Go na, go to your teacher.
Try ipay.
It's okay.
No, I only have math lang.
No, just do it. Go.
Alright.
So that,
We will sing later si Kuya papalit sa alato.
ay, babalik sa ato. So,
Nanginginig talaga sa
alam
tawa.
mo,
Kasi,
kakarating mo pa lang,
Kakarating ko
babalik
lang.
ka na agad.
Mamaya na.
Okay.
Eight.
Wait lang. Gusto mo, doon ka natitira? Wait, doon ka natitira?
Can I do the vocal?
Yeah, doon ka natitira?
yes.
Yes, okay.
Mama, are you happy?
Yeah, kasi you're here. At least,
Apat ka
at least dumating ka, di ba? Pero doon ka na. Talaga?
Yes. Nurse Eloy, no work later.
Wala kang work, pero nag-take note po, nag-schedule siya.
Nurse
Gumawa siya ng
Eloy,
sarili niyang
salam mo ko
schedule.
sa alato.
Oh, okay. Pero gusto na niya talaga dahil kasi marami ka ng friends.
Sabi ako, friend. Yes.
Oh, okay. So, gusto mo doon.
Gusto ko to.
Talaga?
Yes.
Oh, happy?
Happy ako.
Okay.
Gusto ko sit-ups.
Oh, later na.
One lang.
Oh, ka lang properly.
Isa lang, ha?
Na-miss kita, no? Alam mo, you know how long, kung gaano katagal since we saw each other?
Yeah.
Yeah. December 26, umalis ka na. Ngayon ka pala nagpapakita sa amin. Okay? Parang dumedba ka sa amin. Parang nag-create ka na ng new life mo in Tarlac. So, ganyan pala ang feeling.
Okay.
Na so, super happy.
Super happy.
Ano magagawa mo kung super happy, di ba?
Super krantiya. Sa harap
Ay,
ako uupo.
wait, sandali. nagdikta rin po siya ng mga dadali niyang sasakyan doon. Don't worry. Yung cars na gusto mo, they're yours. Oh, yung ano. Tapos, the other one, kasi yun, I won't tell them kasi baka ano mangyari sa'yo. So, may isa siyang sinabi na magsaswap. So, yes, dadali niya. The other one, kasi paalis na kami, it will go with him. Kuya, I'm not gonna say where we're going, pero yung beach where we're going, sama ka?
No.
Ano? Okay. Madali akong kausap. See? No. Bakit? Sure. But you like the beach. Ayaw. What? Stay ka where?
Stay ako in Alato.
O sige.
People check, ikaw mag-try
Mahirap kalaban ang pag na-decide na dito ko, dyan
Yun na
siya.
yun.
O, dito ka. And, okay, lang, just to put everything in perspective and para masara ko to, he has this one bag. I will not name the brand because sabihin nyo, pinangalanan pa yung brand. Anyway, everywhere he goes, that bag is with him. Okay? And because that bag is his favorite bag, dahil nandun yung things niya, and basta, forever. He has many bags. Pero that one particular bag is his favorite bag.
Hindi tayo mag-work sa
Hindi niya dinala.
We need.
Okay? Because
For sure.
hindi niya dinala that bag today because yun yung ano niya. Where that bag is where he is. So, the fact na hindi dinala yung bag, sure na hindi siya
Tutulog
hindi siya matutulog dito. Babalik siya doon talaga. And just to explain also, the room he stays in used to be my mom's room. And the bed that he's staying in used to be my mom's bed. So I think mahirap labanan ang memories ng lola.
No touching kasi young man ka na.
Yeah. Kasi,
No,
ako,
please.
super naiintindihan ko because, Kuya, I'll explain para they'll understand. Kasi,
No.
I was already Chris, na pwede nang magdikta ng schedule, na pwede nang, nag-a-adjust na sa akin when Bim was born. Pero the years that he was growing up, I was not yet at the level I was. So,
It's
all those, yung mga program, PTC, yung mga events sa school, I was taping, I was shooting, and it was my mom. Ang lola niya talaga ang pumuno sa lahat ng yon. So, I can truly understand kung bakit doon niya gusto. Kasi, all those times then na that the mother was too busy, and I think so many of the working moms can understand this. If the lola was the one who went at nagpunta at pinunuan yung mga hindi kayang gawin ng nanay na nagtatrabaho, then the lola will always be number one. And that's fine with me. And because I could never have been able to raise a boy na ganito ka generous, ganito ka bait sa lahat, and kasi generous talaga. So, yes. And I think everyone can attest to that. Manang Tina, di ba, nag-share sa lahat? Oo, lahat. At lahat binabate. Yes, and lahat ng tao, di ba, nare-remember niya yung mga pangalan. Oo, yun, talaga. Natatandaan niya. Because, turo ng lola. So, yun, so hindi ako makaka-compete doon. So, kung doon siya happy, because doon yung happy memories nila ng lola niya, I want him to be happy. And yung that is the main difference. They are 12 years apart. So, nung dumating na yung isa, I was already me. So, napuntahan na. I was already at that point in my life na pwede nang pakiusapan na, can I pre-tape so that I can go to him? Can we move this para mapuntahan na? And then, so, yun ang main difference. And I think that's a lesson also para sa lahat ng mga nanunood sa atin na if you are lucky enough na you're working and you still have a support system with you, appreciate that support system. If you don't, then do your best talaga to be super present in the lives of your kids because you will never get back their childhood. Okay, I love you all. I love you and we missed you. What? Yeah. Love you. Mwah. Bye everybody! Update sa amin! And yun na nga, babalik na siya. So, wait. O yan na, kailangan na. Obviously, yung nanay, maghahanap na ng bahay doon. Kasi, humihiram lang kami. Technically, yung bahay where he's living sa kanyang favorite uncle. Okay? Kasi nung naghatian, sa ano niya. So, humihiram lang. So, kailangan yung nanay bumili para sa kanya. Unless, of course, dahil favorite din naman siya ng favorite uncle niya. Let's pray. Baka ibigay sa kanya. Ay, nagparinig. Love you. Bye!
Bye.
We're waiting for our food and si Kuya ay naglalakad pa. So, I'm just showing you some things. Actually, if you are able to watch this video right now, it's because of my friend from Globe who reached out to his friends na taga Facebook, and they were the ones who restored my account and helped me a lot. So thanks to them. And I just want to be able to help him because this is his small business, and I'm just showing you. Yeah, that's the name. And if you want to look for them, they are on Instagram. Ang name nila doon ay Home Manila. Pero it's HOMEMNL. So, if, yun, pakita ko. It's just my way of saying thank you because you got to watch the video of us being reunited with Kuya because of him. So, thanks, Mick. Wait lang, Ben. Super fast. Okay, go. Now. Okay, since anyway, I was saying thank you, and this is really a special thank you because my sister Viel, her husband works for Unilab. Anyway, this is actually the vitamins that I've really been taking. And it was so hard. Di ba, nurse? Naghanap tayo everywhere and wala. So she said na, okay, practical gift. And I said, thank you, at least. Okay, kasi it has, kung kasi kung gusto ko ng diba important kayo si C at si zinc habang meron tayo nitong nilalabanan na pandemic. Pero of course, gusto ko, maganda pa rin ako. So, nandyan yung E. Sorry. So, now na lumabas ito, I'm sure, hindi na ito mawawala sa stock. Or at least, alam ni Viel, in-appreciate ko talaga yung gift. Because in her card, kuya wait lang, in her card kasi sinabi niya para share with your staff. No, I'm sorry, hindi ko to share sa kanila. Doon sila sa Immune Pro. Oo, pero ito, sa akin lang to. Oh, selfish. Ako lang dapat ang maganda. Chos. Hindi. Okay. And Kuya is now having his ice cream. Normally, he's not allowed because sa throat. But anyway, ngayon ka lang kasi kino-convince ko wala niyan sa Tarlac. Pero, hindi na ako convince. Oh, itong Cold Stone. Someone made the effort na dalan kami yesterday. And I like the effort because hindi lang ako at si Bimbang dinalan. Everybody who was here dinalan. I don't want to say who it was because wala lang, ayoko. So anyway, but thank you. And because I was deprived of having, I'm really a creature of habit. Gusto ko, kung ano yung gusto ko, yun yung gusto ko. This is sweet cream. Yun yung flavor. And it's actually a milkshake. So, see, tuwa siya. Kasi may over sugar. Kasi, kuya, wait lang. Binride ko pinayagan ko mag-coke. Bawal ang coke. Binigyan ko ng ice cream. Bawal ng ice cream. Para ma-convince mag-stay. You wanna stay with us?
No.
Hindi nag-work. Okay. Love you. Bye, everybody. See you. Mako-convince ka rin.
See you.